Hello, I'm Jean-François Remy and I'm Pickit's CEO. I'm here to talk to you about the 4.0 release, which we're releasing and is a major release for Pickit. The biggest novelties is that we've added a handful of cameras to the camera supported by Pickit, so we're pushing our camera agnostic strategy even further. Additionally, we've introduced a handful of licenses which are directly linked to the business case you want to address, like for example, complex bin picking or Pickit find, so finding something or locating something. That will help us pushing further the simplification of the user interface, which is a constant thought, while addressing more business cases. Additionally, we've done a lot of changes under the hood so that Pickit is more upgradable, more secure in terms of cybersecurity, and the platform gets even faster when using it. Well, I would actually encourage people to reach out to our sales team and to look at our website, and I'm sure they can help people understand how we can contribute to solving your manufacturing challenge today and tomorrow.